Hi everyone, welcome to Sociology of Childhood and Adolescence. I'm really excited to see you guys tomorrow night. I just want to run through a little bit of a introduction to the Canvas and kind of where the reading is and stuff so that you can find your way through. You're probably all really good at Canvas at this point, but if you're not, I'm happy to support, and I'm sure that the college also has a support in terms of what it is, navigating it and such. So, this is a class that's going to talk about childhood and adolescence through the sociological kind of imagination. We're going to be spending time looking at issues surrounding childhood and adolescence, like what the definition of the situation is, what does it mean to be a child in society present day, what did it mean 100 years ago, what is how has it changed, how has social class shaped it, how does gender shape it, how does ethnicity shape it. So we're going to be looking at all those things, and it's going to be a kind of an interesting journey because we've all been children and adolescents. Some of you are still probably adolescents. So it's relatable to our own individual selves, which is always one of the fun things I think about sociology. So everything you need to get started is here. All the assignments are listed under the assignments. You can see exactly what you're going to be required to do. And then everything in terms of the reading is also available to you. I have PDFs of 2 of the texts. I also have a reader that's just kind of a general childhood and society reader if you're interested. It's not part of the course requirement. These are the 2 of the 3 books that you're going to be using. All of the books are listed on the syllabus with links to the library, like eBook Central, so you can just sign into your library account and get the books. I haven't PDF'd the 3rd book. At this point, I don't have access to that capability, so I wasn't able to, but if I'm able to do that throughout the course of the semester, I will. But either way, all the books are available to you without purchase. What I recommend is, if this is an area that you're going to focus on as a sociologist or as a child development person, these might be good books for you to have, but if it's a hardship, I never would ask you to buy them. So you're able to access the reading immediately. That's either good or bad, depending. That means I'm holding you accountable to have the reading done. And so we'll talk a little bit about that tomorrow night when we connect in person, but you won't need to wait on anything. All the reading is there and ready for you to take it on. So yeah, I don't want to belabor everything. It's first day of the semester. I'm sure you have lots of things to do. I have lots of things to do. I'm meeting all my new students this week, which is always really fun. So I'll see you guys tomorrow night. We meet in, hold on, I gotta look it up, Stevenson 3049, which is on the 3rd floor. So I will see you there tomorrow night at 6, and we'll check in, we'll get to know each other, and I look forward to a really good class with you guys, okay? So have a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow.